हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। ये हमारी फर्स्ट क्लास है। आप देख रहे होंगे कि अभी तक हमने इससे पहले लास्ट सेमेस्टर में आईईटी वगैरह सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़े थे। ये सेमेस्टर में मैं आपको कंज्यूमर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाऊंगी। इससे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन की एक क्लास आपकी हो चुकी है। आप देखेंगे इस यूनिट फर्स्ट में, इनफैक्ट आपको सिलेबस पता है। यूनिट फर्स्ट में वी हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द माइक्रोफोन्स। ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग हियर, दिस इज अबाउट द कंटेंट and content is unit where we are going to study different type of microphones and different type of loudspeakers. These are microphones: carbon microphone, moving coil microphone, cordless, all these microphones, direct radiating and horn type of loudspeaker, multi-speaker system, hi-fi, stereo and Dolby systems, and concept of fidelity, noise and different type of distortion and audio. All these will study in this unit. So first today I'm going to take the lecture of the microphones. So first, do you know, hopefully everybody will be aware of the microphones. What is microphones? हम सभी यूज़ करते हैं, कोई भी फंक्शन होता है सबसे पहले हमें माइक चाहिए, माइक्रोफोन यूज़ चाहिए. दीज आर डिफरेंट इमेजेस ऑफ माइक्रोफोन्स. ओके, तो सर फर्स्ट एवरीबडी हैव सीन दिस थिंग एंड किसी ने, एंड दीज आर डिफरेंट टाइप. हेडसेट होते हैं, पैराबोलिक होते हैं, बॉडी, हैंडहेल्ड, बाउंड्री, ऑल दीज आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ माइक्रोफोन्स. ओके, so first we have to understand what is the microphone, what is the concept of microphone. So microphone is a transducer. Transducer, do you know the meaning of transducer? Transducer is a device that converts energy from one form to the another form. Okay, is it clear? Again I repeat it. Transducer is a device that converts energy from one form to another form. Okay, like as if there is suppose a pressure signal that will be converted into electrical signal, that is a work of a transducer. Or uh, some electrical signal that is converted into heat signal, that is also work of a microphone. Okay, now this is a work of transducer, sorry, not microphone, transducer work. So microphone is a transducer that converts variation of sound pressure into electrical signal of same frequency. Is it clear? Let me elaborate it. आपके पास एक माइक्रोफोन होता है, उस माइक्रोफोन में व्हाट यू विल डू, आप अपनी वॉइस देते हो, दैट इज ए साउंड सिग्नल. एंड साउंड सिग्नल किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है आपका? इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल में. ओके, सो साउंड प्रेशर सिग्नल क्या होता है? प्रेशर्स, डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ प्रेशर. जो साउंड प्रेशर होता है वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है? इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल में. अब जो आपको इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल मिल रहा है उसमें कुछ एम्पलीट्यूड होगा, कुछ फ्रिक्वेंसी भी होगी. तो जो उसकी जो फ्रिक्वेंसी होगी, दैट फ्रिक्वेंसी विल बी ऑफ द सेम फ्रिक्वेंसी दैट ऑफ द साउंड सिग्नल. साउंड सिग्नल की जो फ्रिक्वेंसी है और जो इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल कन्वर्ट होकर आ रहा है, वो दोनों की फ्रिक्वेंसी आपकी सेम होगी. एंड दूसरा पैरामीटर आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल, दैट इज अबाउट द एम्पलीट्यूड. सो एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल विल बी प्रोपोर्शनल टू द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ sound waves. Clear? So again I repeat it. Microphone is a transducer that convert in a form of energy from one form to the another form. Okay, in microphone we give sound signal and at the output we'll got electrical signal. So microphone is a transducer that converts a variation of sound pressure into electrical signal of same frequency, and amplitude of electrical signal is proportional to the intensity of sound waves. Okay, this is the basic concept of microphone. Now, earlier the microphones were used for the communication purposes, but now these microphones are used for this purpose. Okay, so this is the concept clear to all of you. Next, these are the specification of microphone. Microphone की specifications क्या होते हैं? This is the माइक्रोफोन ट्रांसड्यूसर जो अभी मैंने सब कुछ बताया वही है आपका. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्लाइड इज स्पेसिफिकेशन ऑफ ए माइक्रोफोन. माइक्रोफोन के स्पेसिफिकेशंस क्या होते हैं? Which are the parameters on which basis we decide if this microphone should be good or this microphone should be bad? There will be some parameters. So these are parameters are sensitivity, SNR, signal to noise ratio, frequency response, distortion, directivity, and output impedance. These are six specification of a microphone. We'll discuss about these one by one. First, about the sensitivity. What is sensitivity? Sensitivity of a microphone is the electrical response at its output to a given standard acoustic input. Got it? अभी मैंने आपको बताया था कि माइक्रोफोन में जो आउटपुट मिलता है वो इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल होता है और इनपुट होता है वो होते हैं साउंड सिग्नल. साउंड सिग्नल इज रिलेटेड टू acoustic. सो अगेन आप देख सकते हैं सेंसिटिविटी माइक्रोफोन is the electrical response at its output to a given standard acoustic input. Okay, this is sensitivity. Or sensitivity we can see say कि is defined as output in millivolt for the sound pressure of 1 microwatt. Clear? So this is about the sensitivity. Next is SNR, signal to noise ratio. Signal to noise ratio specifies the ratio of a reference signal to the noise level of the microphone output. Clear? Ratio, SNR क्या होता है? Ratio of a reference signal to the noise level of the microphone. The measurement includes noise contributed by both microphone and the ASIC incorporated into MEMS microphone package. क्लियर? सो अगर हम फॉर्मूला फॉर्म में देखें तो SNR इज 20 log output with SPL of 1 microwatt divided by output in the absence of sound. Clear? This is about the SNR. Next is frequency response. Frequency response of a microphone describes its output level across its frequency spectrum. मीन्स इसका जो आउटपुट है वो क्या आ रहा है इसकी फ्रिक्वेंसी स्पेक्ट्रम के across. High and low frequency limits are described at the points at which the microphone response is 3 dB below the reference output level at 1 kHz. Reference level at 1 kHz is customized normally to 0 dB and these values are plus minus x dB. Minus shows the minus 3 dB points. And one more thing, microphones का जो frequency response है that should be flat. Okay, so this should be a flat response. And what is the meaning of flat frequency response? Ideal flat frequency response means that microphone is equally sensitive to all frequencies. Okay, so no frequency would be exaggerated or reduced, resulting in a more accurate representation of original sound. So flat frequency response produces purest audio. So this is the ideal case if we'll get the flat frequency responses. Clear? Next is distortion. Do you know the meaning of distortion? Distortion meaning is a change in output. Means whatever input we are giving, output should becomes in proportional to the input. But if output is not in proportional to the input, that is called a distortion. There could be many reasons of distortion. We have a signal. Let's say I'm already told you that in microphones we are giving input in a sound form and output is in the form of electrical signal. So whenever we'll get the electrical signal had few parameters like as amplitude, frequency and phase. So and there will be obviously there will be distortion in all these three parameters, frequency and amplitude and phase. Okay, so what is amplitude distortion, what is frequency distortion, and what is phase distortion? Frequency distortion is what different as I have told you, frequency response should be flat of on a microphone. Is it clear? Because flat frequency response पे हमें pure audio मिलता है जब हम उसे convert करते हैं. So if there is flat frequency response नहीं है, that is called frequency distortion. Okay. And what is amplitude distortion? Amplitude distortion is there is change in the amplitude. Amplitude के में change हो जाता है. Phase distortion, if there is a change in the phase of the signal, that is called phase distortion. Okay, another parameter is directivity. Directivity means direction. डायरेक्टिविटी माइक्रोफोन जो है वो ओमनी डायरेक्शन होना चाहिए. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू दिस इन दिस वे. लेट्स सी, you are जब when you are in front of microphone, then if you talk in front, तब मैक्सिमम आउटपुट हो ऐसा तो नहीं है ना, किसी भी डायरेक्शन से आवाज आए वो उतना ही एम्पलीफाई करे सिग्नल को. सो इट शुड बी इन ओमनी डायरेक्शनल माइक्रोफोन. There are many different types of directional pattern that microphones can possess. Each type of directional pattern leads itself to a different type of uses. Okay, it is necessary to look carefully at the microphone, especially before selecting a particular microphone. Coupled with looking at these reviews, there are different type of unidirectional microphone, bidirectional microphone, and omnidirectional microphone. We should go for the omnidirectional microphones. Okay, these are the patterns. Omnidirectional or equal in all direction, that shows a circle, so this should be considered. Okay, and another parameter that is called output impedance. You know the meaning of impedance? Okay, so unit is its ohm. With the help of this parameter, we can easily find out which type of matching transformer needed to be connected so that maximum power can be transmitted to the transmission line. Basically, impedance matching is very important factor, as you must have read this about this all this in detail in the EDC subject last semester. Whenever you will connect output to the another input, so there should be impedance matching. Reason behind this is the maximum power transmission. Okay, so this is all about the 6 parameters of microphones. Again I repeat it: sensitivities, SNR, signal to noise ratio, frequency response, distortion, directivity, and out. Till now we have studied about these parameters. What are these parameters? Now, characteristics of a what is characteristics of a good microphone. Uh, Characteristics of a good microphone is high sensitivity, high SNR. Sensitivity should be high. Signal to noise ratio should be high. Flat frequency response for audible frequency range. I've already told you frequency should be flat. Distortion should be minimum, and the output impedance to match with the line impedance. Proper directive pattern according to the application. Okay, directivity as per the application. These are all the characteristics of a good mic. Till now, in the today's lecture we have studied about the microphones. Again, I repeated, microphone is a transducer device that converts one form of energy into the another form of energy. Okay, and its characteristics. So next our lecture will be about the types of microphones. So you people study about it in detail from the book also. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. You have already my contact number and all these things. Okay, thank you students.